Molecular biology, branch of biology that concerns with molecular basis of biological activities between biomolecules in the various systems of cell, including the interactions between DNA, RNA, proteins and their biosynthesis, as well as the regulation of these interactions. Study of molecular biology provides the evidence of the process of replication, transcription, translation, cell functions, and also evolution. Scope of molecular biology. Molecular biology, a new trend, has tremendous value not only in investigations of basic questions but also in application to a wide variety of problems affecting the overall humankind, animals and plants. Disease prevention and treatment, generation of new protein products, manipulation of plants and animals for desired phenotypic traits are all applications that are routinely addressed by application of molecular biology methods. Study of basic structures and functions of DNA, RNA and proteins give a clue to recognize changes in these biomolecules during any disease or disorder. DNA replication, DNA damage, repair studies give basic platform to study the genetic defects in DNA and defects due to external factors. This study helps to find out remedies in such disorder, for example, cancer. Study of transcription, translation and their regulation provides a basic knowledge of the processes and also helps in drug designing to regulate the processes. Detailed study of molecular basis of diseases play an important role in finding remedies. Sequencing of genes and proteins has opened new horizon to understand the genetic information and utilization of this information to solve genetic problems. Sequencing of genome has made a new path to study evolutionary relationships at a molecular level. Bioinformatics is newly emerging discipline where knowledge of computers and information technology is used in biology. The data generated from molecular biology studies such as DNA protein sequences can be stored and processed very easily and available anywhere in the world due to bioinformatics. Now, central dogma of molecular biology. This figure represents the flow of information, direction of flow of information. In 1956, Francis Crick referred this pathway of flow of genetic information as central dogma of molecular biology. Central dogma of molecular biology is the flow of genetic information from the DNA to RNA to protein. Here in this figure, arrows indicate the flow of genetic information. These arrows, they indicate the direction of flow of information. Here, this arrow indicates that DNA acts as template for self-replication. With the help of enzyme DNA polymerase. Arrow between DNA and RNA, these arrows, arrow between these two, DNA and RNA, indicates transcription of information, that is copying of information. During this process, DNA acts as template and RNA polymerase enzyme performs this work of transcription, that is formation of mRNA from DNA. So information from DNA goes into mRNA, copied into mRNA. Reverse arrow between DNA and RNA in this direction, this arrow indicates reverse transcription. That means the synthesis of DNA from RNA by enzyme reverse transcriptase, which occurs commonly in case of retroviruses. Means the viruses which have RNA as genetic material and not DNA, RNA containing viruses. The arrow between RNA and protein, arrow between RNA and protein, this arrow suggests translation of information written in the language of ribonucleotides into the language of amino acids in the protein. So protein is nothing but the chain of amino acids, and type of protein depends on how many amino acids are there in a chain and in which sequence these amino acids they are there. Transcription is the process of making RNA copy of a gene sequence. This copy is called as a messenger RNA or mRNA, which leaves the cell nucleus and enters in the cytoplasm, where it directs the synthesis of protein, which it encodes. Translation. This process of translating the sequence of mRNA molecule to a sequence of amino acids during protein synthesis. The genetic code describes the relationship between the sequence of base pairs in a gene and corresponding amino acid sequence in it sequence that it encodes. In the cell cytoplasm, the ribosome reads the sequence of mRNA in groups of 3 bases to assemble the protein.